Hey, come over here. Come over here. Welcome to another edition of Dolbin Plays with Magnets.
Dolbin plays with COVID and his life.
Social distancing edition.
Oh my god. My neighbor got a dog.
Your neighbor got a dog?
And I was telling him before. They're like, oh Josh, you don't like dogs. Oh, but this dog is gonna melt your heart. Like,
that's what every freaking dog owner says. Some people are ridiculous when it comes to their pets.
Oh
I mean, no offense to pet owners. I'm sure some of you are great people.
Wait, are you recording?
Yes.
You just lost half your viewers.
Half my viewer. The other half is still tuned in, but not nearly as much. Okay, look at this. Oh, this is perfect. This is just absolutely perfect. The monster lives roughly over here in this general area. So,
Monster?
yep. There is a monster in this lake.
Is it a dog?
It's not a dog. It's also not a duck. I couldn't hear you, so I'm going to cover both of those. Oh, you're already started, huh?
What,
Started without me.
That one's from Frozen? Oh, no.
Yes, Lady Gaga is from Frozen. She is an animated character. She does not exist in real life. Get it right. No. And there goes my other half of viewers. Viewer.
So I'm wearing my special pants today. I don't know if you noticed.
Your special pants?
These are my special pants. These pants, I was shocked to learn, you can never wash.
You can never wash?
Right. You can't wash them.
Well,
So
that's...
I haven't washed these things since I bought them. I'm surprised they still actually move.
Why can't you wash them?
Because the dye was never set, Josh. If I wash them,
Well,
they'll
then-
lose all their personality.
Why would you buy them then? Here,
I don't
wear your
know.
gloves. Don't forget your gloves.
There's no COVID down here.
Gloves. It's not about COVID, it's about fish hooks, which there are plenty of in here. People actively fish here. They eat stuff that comes out of this lake, I'm pretty sure. I wouldn't, but, you know, more power to them.
Oh my god, I got something. My first cast of the day. I got something.
Your first cast, first catch. See, that's that
What is it?
that's that chrome plated
Oh,
metal.
the shopping cart.
Yeah, the shopping cart bits that I keep finding. I don't know if it's shopping cart because I've been finding them all over here. It's not just one spot. It's like all along here. So there's like
Right.
either multiple shopping carts that have just deteriorated since, you know, whenever.
I think we're onto something.
Are we?
We got the Linwood shopping cart barbarian that goes around and massacres shopping carts.
The lamentation of the store managers. Oh my... You just covered me in a mist of lake water.
Well,
Oh, nasty. That was gross. Oof. Oh, I did not air this out. Hey, my first catch of the day.
oh,
My utility knife. Ugh. Put your gloves on, Josh. Because I don't want you getting tetanus.
how am I gonna get tetanus?
Because there's a bunch of rusty fish hooks at the bottom. If you poke yourself with a rusty fish hook, there's a good chance you're gonna get tetanus.
What if I become like tetanus man, like superhero?
Oh, jeez. All right. Suit yourself. Oh, that's right.
What powers would tetanus give you?
None, Josh. You would just get... No, you would get the power of Lockjaw.
Oh, I could fight anything.
Which one was Lockjaw? Is that the one from... Is that the one from He-Man, or is that the one from James Bond?
Oh, Jaws. That's from James Bond.
Oh, Jaws. That's right. Okay. So, wait, Trapjaw. Trapjaw was from He-Man.
If I get tetanus from shopping carts, I'll get the power to summon every manager.
You'll be the ultimate Karen. I want to speak to your manager. Something or someone?
No, someone.
Someone. Okay, Constable.
Inspector, look out! Blowguns!
You gonna throw the camera down here so we can see what this is?
Do you have something that you can't pull up?
Yeah. But you said it was here.
It's like further out.
Oh no, there's something down here. Look, see the little bits of oil that came up? I can feel it holding on, and it's like picking up tiny bits, and then it comes back out.
Interesting.
Tiny bits.
Tiny bits.
The bits, the bits, the bits, the bits, the
Oh my god, look at all the bubbles that come up. What do you think's down there? Look,
I don't
look at
know.
that. Look, I stirred up. These are probably like, I think the Tesseract is down here or something like that.
Probably Namor the Submariner and his Atlantean cohorts causing troubles for those in Wakanda. Wakanda forever.
Well, magnet fishing, whenever you hit something like that feels really big,
Yeah.
you're like, oh, this will be really interesting, but you know it's going to just fall off the magnet.
Yeah.
Listen.
Let's
Oh my god, the fish just...
Yeah, I think there was a fish right here by the dock. That's awesome. Let's do some fishing.
You mean
Magnet
like I've been
fishing.
For the last 20 minutes?
You don't need to call that out. You don't need to. Okay. Here we go. I meant to stop off and get some better rope. Forgot. It's a little thin. I mean, I think that this magnet with the proper attachment could hold stronger than this rope would, and I could end up losing my best asset, Josh. It's my best asset.
Oh, hey,
Ooh,
I got 2 hooks.
ooh. Let me see.
Got 3 hooks. Look at that.
Nice. Very cool. Go throw them in the bucket. Throw them in the bucket.
Wait, I gotta give myself
you should be using your gloves, Josh. Oh, I'm on something big down here.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's like way out there.
Yeah. I think that
Let's send the camera down. Let's check it out.
Wait, so with this, how are you gonna put on the tablet? Does the tablet have a memory card reader?
Yeah. Or else I wouldn't have brought it. Duh.
I need to be wearing a camera too to capture your like looks of.
Well, get another
disdain,
GoPro chest rig, and you can strap on one of these extra fine quality antique HTC One M8s that I'm using as cameras.
Take that back. Oh, shit.
Come on, help me out. Help me
Hey,
out.
yes.
Help me out. Help me out. This is not a dance.
I'm begging for help. I'm screaming for help.
Unlike
Please
last
come
time.
let me out.
Wait, where's... Oh, you're using your carabiner. Holy crap. Everybody look. It's strapped, yep, to his hip. Fantastic. All right, so hand me that carabiner.
Safety first.
Safety first. All right, let's send it down. Oh, Josh, I need more than just your carabiner. I need the rope attached to the...
You can't.
No, your carabiner, not my carabiner. It's the retrieval line, Josh. There needs
I
to
know
be
you're
a...
gonna edit this out, but let the records reflect that he did not specify which carabiner.
The one with the rope. It's the retrieval line. Otherwise, we're not getting this back. Or possibly not getting this back. Okay. All right. So that is going. All right. Here we go. Here.
What?
You hold the retrieval line. I hold the transit line.
Holding both.
I don't know.
hands.
Well, you don't need to hold the other one. I'm holding that one taut. All right, so you need to put.
What?
Don't give it so much slack so it goes sliding down and
Already.
jerking the camera. It's already moved a little bit. All right. Okay,
It's just gonna go that way.
that's fine. Just lower it
Too
down.
big of a jerk.
Just lower it down.
You're too big of a jerk. Oh,
You
okay.
are a big jerk. Detach retrieval line. Retrieval line detached.
Hey.
Here, now your carabiners all wet.
Ow.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Is it recording?
That's what I'm checking for. Yeah, it looks like it was. This is not showing me anything. It's not even looking at the line.
Oh.
It's just all green.
Okay, I'm gonna use the grappling hook. Can I take the little things off? Wait.
Yep. First time we're using the grapple hook.
I didn't get anything.
Well, you have to drag it along the bottom until you feel it grab something. It's not a magnet. It's not going to just jump on the hook. Man.
Oh yeah, it's actually gonna come up. Okay.
Got a screw.
What?
I caught a screw. What'd you get?
A bunch of.
Yeah, that's why you should wear your gloves.
Well, I have to pull it up.
Yeah, you should be wearing your gloves.
Wow, it's coming up, Josh.
Oh, jeez.
wow, it's big.
Do you want your gloves? Let me get your gloves.
Oh, it's really big, Josh.
Here, gloves.
Hey, wow, these gloves really are comfortable
Are they?
compared to what I was doing
Thanks.
before.
Thanks, Hardy Gloves. Hardy,
Are they a
your
sponsor?
choice in gloves. They are now.
Yep. There it is.
Oh my gosh. Yep, that is that's a shopping cart. Let me
I need your help, Josh.
Yeah,
All right.
okay. I need to swing it away from the dock. Can you grab the wheel? Oh, I really hope this isn't the same shopping cart that I found here like 2 weeks ago. Oh, it looks like another Fred Meyer.
Yeah.
Don't pay 3%, call today. Full service for 1% listing fee.
Oh my god.
Does it say where it doesn't even have the name of the store embossed on the handle like the last one did. But I mean, it looks like
What's that?
there's a magnet attached to it. It's a little tiny, powerful rare earth magnet. Somebody was playing with magnets.
Huh.
Cool. Little magnet for the bucket. Nice. Good job. Good find. High five. Down in front of the camera. Down in front of that.
So we could see how white I high five.
That's right. Wow. Woo.
Look at that.
Nice.
You know,
Dang.
this is a waste of time.
Some might say this is a waste of time. Some might say that we're helping clean up our local environment by
I'm not going to pay a 3% listing fee.
That's right. I'm not going to pay a 3% listing fee when I can pay a 1% listing fee and get 100% of the effort. All right. All right. So this is getting parked over here, and we can use it to haul back anything else we find.
The impressive thing is, whatever boneheads brought this down here, they had to haul this across dirt. I mean, that was a lot of effort.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this came from Fred Meyer. It looks like the same make and model. Pretty sure we got ourselves a T54/2.
Oh, the /2. That's
You can tell with the right wheel brake there. Yeah, this would have been a pain in the butt to haul all this way from Fred Meyer, which is about I'd say a little over half a mile that way, as the crow flies.
As the hooligans.
As the hooligans hooligan. Yep. All right.
Okay,
Cool.
Well, we did it.
We did do it. We got a thing. Let's see if we can get more things and hopefully better things that we want to keep and not just call Fred Meyer about.